fatherless, hopeless, and forgotten. Even in the midst of the struggles of this world, there is something, someone, that stands as a beacon of hope. To know in your head is not to know in your heart. To say you are loved with this belief is common to many. For truth to be reality, knowledge must flow from the head to the heart. To know that you are adopted as sons of the living God, for all who choose to believe and accept Jesus Christ as Lord and as Savior. In the Bible it says that we are made in His image. He calls us to die to our flesh and to take up our cross. Through His infinite grace and steadfast love, we are made new in Him. So my son, my daughter, you have freely been adopted despite your failure, despite any of your wrongdoings. No matter the severity of what you have done, I will accept you. You have been adopted. You have been redeemed. And you are loved. It is only through the ultimate sacrifice, through the death on the cross, that we can live through Jesus Christ. The greatest emotional desire that we ever need is the assurance that we are enjoyed by God, even in our weaknesses. We were all created with a longing to know that God takes delight in deepening His relationship with us. How long are we going to hide ourselves and believe that we don't match up to God's standard? How long can we be deceived that we are abandoned and left to live life on our own? For all who believe, He will be a father to you, and you will be His sons and daughters.